Hi! Wanda Waterdrop here at the City of Dubuque's Eagle Point Water Plant to tell you about a great new way to keep track of your water usage. It's an online water management tool and payment portal called WaterSmart. It's absolutely free for Dubuque water customers and it's really easy to use. With it, you can view and pay bills, track daily water usage, sign up to receive leak alerts, view tips on how to save water and money, and see how your usage compares to similar households. Let's take a deeper dive into WaterSmart. The homepage gives you a nice snapshot of what WaterSmart offers. Here's my latest bill. 17% lower than last month. Wonderful! My daily use shows my current usage and even compares it to the same billing period from the past 2 years. I have to say, I'm scoring well there too. If I look at my use, I can see it day by day over a number of different time periods. It's definitely a fluid situation. Scrolling down provides a lot more information about exactly how I'm using my water. This is really helpful. It even estimates where my biggest water usage comes from, like washing machines, faucets, or toilets. You can answer a few questions within your profile to make this even more accurate. The My Water Score area compares my usage to other households. Looks like I'm just 1 gallon away from being efficient. WaterSmart lets you sign up for alerts to let you know if your usage is unusually high or if it appears you have a leak. Another really cool thing is that you can monitor multiple accounts from the same login. So if you own more than one property, you'll save a lot of time. You can get started today. It's WaterSmart at cityofdubuque.org/WaterSmart. Use it on your home computer or on your mobile device. To get started, all you need is your City of Dubuque utility account number. It's right on your bill. Enter that information and then set up a username and password and you're in! It's the wave of the future. I'm Wanda Waterdrop saying so long and go with the flow.